Property Owner Files, Season 9, Episode 1. When ownership is no longer yours alone. Is being a landlord really worth it? There comes a point in ownership when it stops being just yours. Not because you lose control, but because you begin to share it. Season 9 is about that transition. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. When ownership is no longer yours alone. For most of the journey, ownership feels individual. Your decisions, your systems, your responsibility, everything flows through you. But over time, something changes. Not suddenly, gradually. Someone else gets involved. A partner, a manager, a family member, a future successor. And without realizing it, ownership becomes shared. Today's file is about that moment. Because once ownership is no longer yours alone, the way you think about everything must change. Stay until the end, because the final shift determines whether what you built continues or slowly breaks. And if this helps you think more clearly about ownership in life, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. Control starts to shift. At first, you make every decision. Screening, repairs, communication, everything runs through you. But as time passes, that becomes unsustainable. Not because you can't do it, because you shouldn't have to. So you begin to delegate. And that's where the shift begins. Still watching? This is where most people hesitate. Part 2. Delegation feels like risk. Letting someone else make decisions feels uncomfortable. What if they do it differently? What if they miss something? What if standards drop? So many owners delay this step. They hold on longer than they should, because control feels safe. But control doesn't scale, and it doesn't transfer. Still watching? This is where systems become critical. Part 3. Systems become the bridge. When ownership becomes shared, systems become the connection. Not your memory, not your instincts, your structure, screening processes, inspection schedules, communication standards. These allow someone else to operate without becoming you. Still watching? This next shift is more personal. Part 4. Your role changes. You're no longer just an operator. You become something else. A guide, a reference point, a stabilizer. You don't make every decision. You shape how decisions are made. And that requires a different kind of thinking. Less reactive, more intentional. Still watching? This leads to the final realization. Part 5. Ownership becomes continuity. The goal is no longer control. It's continuity. Can what you built function without you? Can decisions be made without your presence? Can standards hold over time? Because eventually, ownership will continue without you. The only question is, will it continue clearly or inconsistently? Ownership isn't just about building something. It's about ensuring it continues. In the next file, we explore who should step into that responsibility and how to recognize them. This is Property Owner Files.